Hello there YouTube, welcome back to another video. TechSavagepro here, and today I'm going to be going on a little mini rant session for a little bit and just explain what this video is about. Now, the reason I'm actually making this is because, let's be honest here, if you go to the newer wallpapers, I'm actually going to be showing you how to get the older iPhone wallpapers, so like the original iPhone wallpapers, like with the fish and stuff like that. It's actually crazy how much they've changed, and honestly, I'm very disappointed. I'm not gonna lie, in my personal opinion, these are lame. I don't like how lame they are. There's not as many, but you can fix that with a simple link. Of course, all links are gonna be in the description below, so go ahead and check that out and subscribe. Hit my bell notifications. Click it again if you haven't already, and hit always on notifications so you never miss a video, and then you should be golden. And if you do want to be more involved, go ahead and follow my Twitter, and that's fun stuff and random stuff there, but hopefully that helps you stay a little more up to date. And let's get straight into basically why I'm doing this. So like I said, the wallpapers currently, they suck. I don't know why Apple decided to take them away. I don't know if you've noticed that. I'm sure some of you have. But like I said, I think that they suck. Now, that's a personal opinion, because I know some of you probably think that there's one little wallpaper that is kind of cool. But like the iPhone 8 wallpapers aren't on my iPhone XR. They remove some and add some every year, but like there were like a whole year where they didn't even add any to new operating systems, like a whole version updated, and then they didn't even add any new wallpapers. Like, it's not fair how they can take away stuff but not give us actual good replacements. And what I mean by that is, that was the original iPhone wallpaper. The fish. That's a glorious iPhone wallpaper. Like, look how good that looks. It's just like, these are like bringing back some memories for me, because I used to have an iPhone 4, iPhone 4S. I still actually have them. I have an iPod Touch 4th generation, and a lot of these were actually on those devices. A lot of these. Now, some of these were on newer devices, like whenever I first got my iPhone 6S. A lot of these were on there. That one looks really good, and that one looks really good. This is actually my favorite, but these are some of the best iPhone wallpapers. Now, these are actually optimized for iPhone XR, but you can get them for any device. They all work on the devices that you have. They're just lengthened. So, if you have an older device, it will work on your device. Promise. There's nothing really to it other than that. But again, like I said, all links will be in the description below, so go ahead and check that out. But before I leave, just let's take a look real quick on what exactly this does for wallpaper. Look how good this looks. It's just amazing. It really blends in. I really, really like it. It's really cool, in my opinion. But hopefully you did find this video useful. Give it a like if you did, or you thought that it was entertaining. And go ahead and subscribe. And as always, peace out. See you in the next one.